One of the areas that we really do specialize in at the New Mexico Legal Group is the defense of DWI. And the reason for that is because these are extraordinarily complicated cases. There are scientific issues that need to be addressed potentially by experts. You need a lawyer that understands the ins and outs of what the state is required to prove in order to convict you of these types of cases.
There are a lot of lawyers out there that will tell you that they do DWI, and that's just not the case. It's one of the most highly specialized criminal cases you can handle. We try and win a lot of cases that people would otherwise plead guilty to. And we do that by being aggressive, by doing a strategic defense of the case and a substantive defense. And that means if you want to go to court, we're going to go to court.
People ask me sometimes, why are DWI so complicated? And my answer to them is that when you have a DWI, you're talking about looking at a bunch of different factors. You're talking about an officer who has to have reasonable suspicion to stop you. Then you're talking about field sobriety tests and observations that an officer has to have to develop probable cause to arrest you. Then you're talking about a breath or a blood test which may need to be attacked or which may be inadmissible. And so I need to understand all of those aspects of that case in order to get a successful outcome. Someone who practices in a general area or does a civil practice or focuses in another area is not going to know the nuances of how to try and attack those kind of cases. And so that's one of the fields of expertise we have at the New Mexico Legal Group.
Our firm philosophy is that we want to provide outstanding legal services, and that means that when the client comes in, we want them to walk out of there thinking we did far more than they ever expected. We want opposing counsels to feel that way. We want judges to feel that way. We have a reputation in this community and people expect a high quality of service from it, and we deliver that high quality.